Grocery haul.
Ooh, we should pop the egg. Pop the egg. My pantry is looking pretty empty today, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. Hopefully save some money, make some money. So it's Saturday. What do you want to eat for dinner? We have nothing in the pantry.
Korean barbecue.
Korean barbecue. Interesting. Which place?
Cape Town.
Okay, psych, we're not going to K-Town. We're making ramen today. It's gonna be a lot cheaper, more cost efficient. And so, girl math, make money, right? I'll keep the money tracker up here.
Bring my wallet, it's on you.
I got my wallet. We're gonna go to the grocery store. Going to see how much we spend for this ramen. More specifically, we're getting Neoguri ramen. The OG, the ramen that everybody knows and loves. Whoa, whoa. There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point in losing love, give me a sign. So where are we going?
We're going to H-Mart.
H-Mart? What's H-Mart stand for?
Oh.
Stands for Korean Mart.
Probably Hanguk Mart.
Oh, like Hangul or Hangul?
Hangul. Well, how do the Korean people say Hangul? It's Hanguk. Hanguk.
Oh, Hanguk Mart. We're in a Hanguk Mart.
Hanarum. Oh wait, I definitely didn't say that.
What it stands for? That's what H stands for.
Okay, it's Hanahrum. How would you say that?
Hanaru Mart is what H Mart stands for. All right, that's where we're going. So I found out I'm actually working tomorrow. I thought I had this whole weekend off, but I'm only off today. Because I found out I have work tomorrow, we're going all out tonight. We're making the best ramen we can make ever. This is gonna be the best ramen you're ever gonna see made. Okay, and there's a car leaving right next to the handicap, or that is a handicap spot. Darn it. Okay, then I will park right here.
Okay, focus on the park.
Hanaru Mart.
Ramen, you always have to have kimchi.
Oh, okay, get the kimchi then. But we're going straight to the ramen after this.
Kimchi selection is so minimal.
Are we getting a big box or a small box?
A small one.
That's pretty big. That's $16. I'll add to the counter. How much is that?
$1.99.
So cheap. It's like chicken.
Garlic.
Yeah, get garlic, yeah. Definitely get garlic. We need to get protein. We can get like what's it called? Hot pot protein, you know? The sliced meats. Yeah, grab one.
Is that the smallest one? $14.
14, 24.
Wait, why is it reduced?
I don't know. Okay, so I guess we're retitling it the most expensive ramen, homemade ramen that we can make.
Okay,
I think that's
we
our.
don't need the meat then.
So no, we want protein. Protein is most important. Like I said, straight to the ramen aisle.
There's no ramen.
What the hell? Okay, that's why we're here. We were about to leave, but then we saw this Parasite. They made it in Parasite. Do a mixture of this and the other one for the Parasite. What was it called? Bulgogi?
Chapaghetti. If you know, you know.
Grocery haul. Grocery haul.
$39.
Most expensive homemade ramen you can get these days. Know what I'm saying? So what is the plan, Shirley? We're doing 3 bowls. We're going 2 dry, 1 wet. I thought we're doing 2 of these combined for 1, like that, and then this one for the wet. But we're doing 3 bowls then.
Okay, why don't we do 4 bowls?
Okay, so I'm in charge of the noodles and she's in charge of the meats. I got the easy part. Hey, should we do the thumbnail? Look at the camera. So the water. Whoa.
My pan is smoking.
She's cooking the meats.
Wait, why is it doing that? Oh, is it because it's frozen?
After we eat our ramen dinner, we're gonna go do something that's gonna extend your life to the age of 99. Yeah. charge of it?
No, I think you should move your thing over there and over here.
Why?
Because the fire is too strong and you need stronger fire.
Make sure you put the enoki mushrooms in too.
Too much?
No, it's good. Perfect amount of meat. I'm still waiting for my water to boil. Like, it was actually taking a very long time. Chef mode activated. I'm gonna be cooking these noodles and these noodles together first for the first batch. I'll be mixing in the vegetables with them as well. So once that boils, these two are going in there. What would Remy Ashton do? This is what I think to myself all the time. What would she say? Wow, such amazing job. That is perfect.
Oh my god, it smells so good in here right now.
Oh my god, it smells so good here right now. God, you guys don't even know.
You guys just have to be here.
See all of this. This is amazing. The water is starting to boil a little bit. My time to shine. Noodle are going in. Going in. Boom. Boom. And we're gonna push it down. Submerge that ass. Oh, she got the gnocchi out. The secret sauce, the secret ingredient, the gnocchi. She's washing the gnocchi.
Always wash your vegetables.
That's what Dr. Mike would say. Yeah, if I were to do drugs, I'd do gnocchi mushrooms. All right, I think it's done. So we're gonna go drain this. Turn off the heat now. She got the meats. Woo. We got one more to cook. This one right here. As we're finishing up, I'm gonna go get some green onions from Shirley's garden. Introducing Shirley's garden. Shirley's temple. Okay. So this is the dry batch that we have going on right here. So this is the mixture of the two ramens together with the mixture of the two sauce packets. And this one is just your regular neoguri ramen. We just saw a YouTube video of someone eating neoguri ramen, and
Not just anybody. Michelle Choi.
This is for the original intended plan. That's for adding flavor and expense to our dinner. Actually,
This one's probably done, right?
yeah, I'll turn it off.
How do we want to do the eggs?
Soft boil. Last step, we're doing the eggs. It wasn't included in our grocery haul, but we have 2 eggs right here that we're gonna soft boil separately. This is the final step. That's what we're gonna do. So let's see if it turns out good. Ooh, ow. All right, so it's boiling. It's boiling. Boiling is boiling is boiling is boiling is boiling. All right, timing is very crucial. We're gonna wait approximately 5 more seconds, and we're gonna turn off the heat. Bam. Heat is turned off. I think that looks pretty good. We're just gonna add it to our ramen bowls, and then we'll show you guys the results.
They spin right.
Oh man, it's getting foggy.
Okay.
Looks like we are complete with all the dishes. We have the side pieces right here. But then we have the 4 main bowls. As you can see, final touch, garnish. Boom, 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 boom. Achiba. Dang, it sucks my fingers. So, it is 6:45. What time is it?
6:45. Oh, what time is it? Ramen?
Ramen time.
Check.
Final product reveal. This is the final product right here.
So we have a
This is all Shirley's doing.
spaghetti. What is it called?
So this is
I don't
like the noodle they did in the Parasite movie where they mixed 2 cheap ramens together. It's supposed to be poor people food, but it's like really good comfort food.
Like top with meat.
Topped with meat that we got from H Mart that you saw earlier, and then a soft boiled egg. And then that's the dry portion. This is the wet noodle portion of the neoguri. That's what we wanted originally, and so that's what we made. We have some enoki mushrooms, seaweed salad, and then some kimchi to go with it. And we topped it off with green onions that we got from Shirley's garden. So yeah, that is what we have. What is this?
It's ice cold beer.
No, we don't drink beer.
It's a sweet tea. But
So-
like no sugar.
We got sugar-free sweet tea because we are trying to be a little bit healthy these days. Let's do a mukbang, dog.
Like no, together.
Oh, together? Oh, okay. All right, we're doing the dry noodle first, okay? This is it. Ooh, look at that steam coming out. Wow. Yummy. Am I right? Yum. This is so good. I wish you guys were here right now.
I think it's okay.
Wait, we gotta like act it up for the vlog. You know, this is what the Remy Ashtons and the Michelle Choi's do.
Wait, I think if let me add a little bit of sesame oil.
Okay.
I think it's a little too dry.
Well, it's the dry noodle. That's the point.
Yeah, maybe I don't like dry noodles. I like it a little bit wet.
Okay, I was not lying. It is actually really good. I think her standards are just a little bit higher.
Who? Me?
Kimchi.
Oh, the kimchi.
Ooh, we should pop the egg. Pop the egg.
Do you see it popped?
It's a little bit raw.
That's how I like it.
Yeah, not the best soft-boiled egg. Let's try. Yeah?
It tastes a lot better with the soft-boiled egg.
Yeah, that's why
I made it wet.
That's why I did it. Obviously. All right, time for the wet portion. This is the original nigiri instant ramen. Classic. So good. I like it slightly better, yeah. But it's just because it's soupy. That's why I wanted to begin with. So good. Probably a lot of MSG in here. I'm probably gonna be in a food coma in a little bit. But after we eat this, we're gonna do that activity that I was talking about. We're gonna prove ourselves, get healthy, live longer. One. Damn. It's still a little bit raw. That's okay.
We like it that way.
Yeah, they're both a little bit raw.
Okay, they're not even hungry. They're not even coming. There you are, Cece. There you are. Good girl. Where the hell's Mateo, though? So the thing that you should do every day at night to live longer is what we're doing right now. Just walking. We're gonna try to hit our 10,000 steps goal for today, right after eating the food, because I heard that's the best time to walk. There's a Chinese proverb. What's the Chinese proverb, Shirley? There's a Chinese proverb that talks about this. Proverb that translates to, if you take 100 steps after each meal, you live to 99. And how do you pronounce it? 饭后百步求，后到走七九. We're going to...
No, you say it right.
We're gonna hit that 10,000 step goal, but also we're gonna take 100 steps for sure. Going up this hill, going up such great heights.
I just want to walk on flat land so I can hit my steps.
There's gonna be hills and valleys. Hills and valleys.
No, the valley was the bottom.
Like troughs and peaks.
Peaks and troughs? So
Yeah.
the hill is the top and the valley is the bottom?
I think so, right? Death Valley. You gotta live till 99. There's people looking at us. I'm embarrassed now. I'm not gonna do it anymore.